Assalamu alaikum class 8. Hope you're all doing well. Alright guys, so today as you know that we are doing the chapter number 1 is Shot in the Dark by Hector Hugh Monroe, and this is lecture number 5, and the topic of our today's lecture is book exercise. ठीक है, आज हम दो book के pages करेंगे, that is on page number 11 and 12. ठीक है, now moving on to the next page. We have on page number 11 we have exercise B, part B. ठीक है, working with words, and first question which we are having is that find the adverbs. You know what are adverbs? Today we have discussed about the adverbs describe more about verbs, okay, and they often end in ly, for example, quickly, slowly, abruptly, right? And you know what's the definition for verbs are the action words, okay. For example, they show the movement, okay, you can depict the movement. For example, running, dancing, okay. So these are the verbs that show the action words, okay. So the first question is about the adverbs in the passage. You have to find out the adverbs in the passage. Which verbs do they describe? Now you know that they have on page number 11 they have given you the adverbs, okay. In the passage they have given you a paragraph. You have to read out that paragraph, okay, and underline some of the verbs in that, and then you have to write complete the adverbs which they have given you, okay, in the blanks, right? So अच्छा, इसमें आपको एक नोट दिया हुआ, the adverbs are followed by the verbs in brackets, ठीक है, ये जो मैंने लिखा हुआ, these are all the answers which you have to write in your books. उन्होंने आपको sedate करके दिया हुआ, ठीक है, यहाँ तक आपको उन्होंने आपको क्या दिया है, word दिया है, ठीक है. तो आपने उसको कंप्लीट कैसे करना है, आपने एडवर्ब्स के साथ में कंप्लीट कर देना है, लेकिन ब्रैकेट में आपने क्या लिखना है, उनका वर्ब लिखना है, ठीक है. वर्ब जैसे उसके मिलता जुलता आपने वर्ब लिख देना है, ठीक है. sedately was greeted. sedately का मतलब है, क्या मतलब है sedately का? slowly, ठीक है. तो slowly या quietly was greeted. अब the guests were sedately greeted, तो इसमें greeted क्या हो जाएगा, verb हो जाएगा. तो this is the verb, ठीक है. और ये हमारे पास क्या है, ये हमारे पास adverb है, ठीक है. so adverbs are इस लाइन में क्या लिखा है, adverbs are followed by the verbs in brackets. in brackets में हमने verbs लिखे हैं, ठीक है. अब noisily was greeted, furiously, आप furiously के साथ में क्या कहते हैं, she was furiously cursing or was searching, ठीक है, because furiously means angrily. promptly, quickly, ठीक है, इसका मीनिंग है quickly, और responded हमने आगे verb डाल दिया. carelessly asked, scarcely had glanced, ruefully stared, ineffectively was searching, hastily glanced, rightly remember, presently exclaimed, severely said, ठीक है. remember the brackets, the verbs are in the brackets, ठीक है, followed by the adverbs. Right, so that is how you have to do it in your books, ठीक है. make sure to do it with a neat handwriting and do not make any mistakes in the spellings. Alright, now moving on to the next exercise, okay, that is on page number 12, and this is the B part. This story contains many words to do with looking, ठीक है. as you know that we have discussed it today. जो story है, ठीक है, उसमें हमारे पास कैसे words ज़्यादातर उन्होंने यूज़ किए हुए हैं, looking से, ठीक है. looking से मिलते जुलते उन्होंने words यूज़ किए हैं पूरी in the story, ठीक है. Here is a list of these words and a couple that do not appear in the story. Use them in sentences of your own, ठीक है. Now they have given you some words जो कि किससे मिलते जुलते हैं, looking से, ठीक है. ऐसे words जो looking के meanings देते हैं, ठीक है. तो आपने क्या करना है, उन words का आपने meanings भी find out करने हैं, books पे लिखने हैं, और you can write those meanings in your neat copies, ठीक है. Plus you have to make the sentences by using those words. इस तरह आपके लिए note लिखा हुआ है static में. People's means students will compose their own sentences. आप लोग खुद अपने sentences बनाएंगे, plus पहले इन words का meanings find out करोगे. make sure that the words are used in appropriate context means situation. आपने उसे and for example the word has been the first word has been given to you, scrutinized, okay. first of all you have to make the column in your copies for the meanings. First of all you have to find out the meaning for the word scrutinized, and then you have to make the sentences, ठीक है, like that. और इसे appropriate context में यूज़ करना है कि अच्छे sensible sentences बनाने हैं, ठीक है. now this is the last exercise on page number 12, and this is the C part. Let's discuss that. Look at the first paragraph of the story. Find words and phrases that describe. तो ये words क्या होते हैं, simple एक word, ठीक है, जैसे water एक word है, that's it. phrase क्या है, phrase is a group of 2 or 3 words, right? You know that we have discussed in our previous lectures as well. So that describe Philip Leatherby's feelings of contentment. Contentment का क्या मतलब है? You have to underline the word contentment in your book, and you have to write the meaning for the word contentment. इसका meaning है satisfaction. ठीक है, contentment means to feel satisfied or satisfaction. ठीक है, अब फिलिप लेदरबाइस की जो फीलिंग्स थी फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में चैप्टर के, वो क्या थी? ठीक है, एंड फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में यू हैव टू फाइंड द लिंक्स. ठीक है, हिंट्स उन्होंने दिए हुए हैं. पी से क्या है? प्लेजेंट फीलिंग. ए से अग्रीएबल, जी ग्रेटिफाइड, और डी से डिलाइटेड. ठीक हो गया? एंड सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू हैव टू डू योर exercise, and you need copies.